So, as far as financial support, we want to point them um, to a direction where they can get some kind of benefit to help them move forward as they rebuild. FEMA is a big one. They provide housing and rental assistance. Um, they provide medical care, dental care, child care, funeral, burial, vehicle, so like gas and servicing. If they need to move to a storage or expenses moving, they cover all these expenses. Not completely, but to some degree they help. Help with household items and cleanup. Also food stamps, for maybe out of a job right now, people can't really work. They're trying to build themselves back up, so food stamps are helpful. Disaster recovery loans are available for homeowners and small businesses. Tax relief, filing for disaster unemployment assistance, and also the Department of Labor provides some type of income and job assistance to those affected.